Hey, it's Joe from StayFitAnywhere, where I give you all the tools to get back into shape no matter where you want to exercise. In today's video, I'm going to show you various isometric exercises that you can do anywhere. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, push that bell notification, and you'll know when I upload my next videos. So let's get those muscles pumping. This wall sit exercise really helps isolate the quadriceps. So find a nice flat wall, slide down into almost a seated position, have your legs 90 degrees so your feet aren't too far in or too far out. You can raise your hands up for increased intensity and hold for as long as you can. This push-up hold exercise really helps isolate your pectorals. Not only feel it in your chest, but all the way through your core and your entire body. This V-sit hold exercise really helps to isolate your entire core. You can do it with your feet on the ground or, like mine, elevated a bit, but focus on your upper back so it's not rounded. This glute bridge hold helps to target the back of your legs. So that's your glutes, your hamstrings, and your calves. You want to make sure your hips are as high as possible. For increased intensity, try it out on one leg. Hold it nice and high and your leg is nice and straight. Meanwhile, keeping your hips nice and high so your back is not dropping. This lunge hovering hold is a great exercise for your entire lower body. You want to make sure your knee isn't touching the ground, that it's hovering right above the ground, and making sure your front knee isn't pushed too far forward beyond your foot. Make sure you keep your abdominals engaged and you have a neutral posture. Hold for as long as you can on each leg. So how those exercises feel for you? They're low impact, joint friendly, but really packs a punch to actually help you build strength with time under tension and just simple muscle contractions with no equipment. Even if you do have equipment, it's great to change it up. So throw isometric exercises into your regular workout and watch your growth. And when you're building strength, you're not only helping your muscles, you're helping your bone density, you're burning way more calories. So if one of your goals is fat loss, it's a great type of exercise to be doing and adding into your own routines right now. And like I said, they're easy, you can do it anywhere, so it's great for home workouts, it's ideal for beginners or anyone that's just getting back into working out. And if you are looking to kickstart your fat loss, you gotta download my free guide, which I'll have in the links in the comment below. And here are a couple of additional exercise routines that you can do right now.